Hello folks, this is Ajha from inspiredtorise.com and we reviewed the Vivo V9, which is a great smartphone. It did have some flaws, and upon that time we told you that wait for a OTA update in order to fix those flaws. In today's video I will tell you whether those flaws have been fixed or not. So guys, this is the Vivo V9. If we talk about what was wrong with this phone, the major thing that was wrong with this phone was the fact that it did not support zoom to fill as soon as it came out. So in a lot of applications like YouTube, MX Player and a lot of other video watching applications, you could not zoom to fill in the content and it made the experience worst. Even while playing games, you could not fill in the content on the whole screen. But now they have supported this functionality, and now let's see to what extent has the zoom to fill been supported. So guys, as you could see, the zoom to fill functionality has been supported on this one, but it only covers the notch area, and at the bottom there's almost this much area which is left, and there is a black bar at the bottom. So it still does not cover the whole display, and I feel that Vivo guys need to come up with another update in order to fix this thing. Though it's much better than before, but I believe that the whole zoom to fill thing is still not here on this phone, and that's the one thing which stops me from recommending this smartphone to a lot of people. But still, it is a good smartphone. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.